Hi guys, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessed Chiamaka of Makai's Face and Face Face. Okay, so guys, I'll be teaching you how to. I'll be learning how to make what a two-tone buttercream cake, just like what you're seeing on my cupcake table. You can see this is a two-tone buttercream, just like what is it here. This one here is the marble effect chocolate and buttercream with the normal buttercream. So teaching you how to achieve this two color in a two-tone buttercream. So it can be actually be nice on a cupcake. Can also be good, when you're piping on a normal birthday cake for your family and friends. So if you actually want to know how I try to achieve this, now let's get started, guys. So guys, these are different colors I have my buttercream. This is the pink color, and this one here is the teal. I think they call this one teal green, right? And then I have my spatula, and then I have my spoon, and then I have my piping bag with my nozzle. I'm so obsessed with this nozzle. It's called the 1M nozzle. So just in case you're trying to figure out what I might use to pipe my cupcakes, it's called the 1M nozzle. And this is one of my favorite baking tool for my cake business. So guys, I'm going to teach you how to achieve this two-tone buttercream. Now you get a piping bag, a 16 inches piping bag, and then you get this nozzle 1M, and then you open your piping bag. You divide it into two sides. Now when you open your piping bag this way, you find out that it has this two sides, right? Can you see it? It has these two sides, just like these two sides. Now you need to apply the first cream here, then you apply the second cream here, so that when you apply, you now have to drag them down, so you can actually achieve this two-tone buttercream. So guys, let's see how to achieve this. So don't you forget, you apply this one here, you apply here, and then you apply this way. So I'm going to apply them now. So just try and make sure that your piping bag is well arranged, guys. Make it well arranged. So I'm going to pipe now. You can use a spoon or a palette knife. So now I'm applying on the first side. I'm still applying on the first side, and then you now change to the other side of your piping bag. You can see I've just changed to the other side of my piping bag, and then I'm going to apply the next color. Please, don't use the same knife for the next color. You need to use a palette knife and a spoon. So you're going to use a spoon. Make sure that this one spoon is for one color, and then the second color you can use another spoon or a palette knife, just like what I'm doing right now in this video. And then you put on the second side of the piping bag. So now I'm putting in the second side of the piping bag. So now I have to bring the two colors down. Can you see it? They're more than two sides, so you bring them down. Hope you see it now. You bring it down carefully. So guys, let me just quickly do a testing just to see. So sure you see how it's looking now. So we are good to go, guys. Now I'm going to pipe on this cupcake for you to see it. So you can actually mix with any colors that you have. I use the teal green and the pink. So I'm going to pipe on my cupcakes now. So guys, you see it's looking so nice. And I pipe on the second one. So that's how to achieve so guys, I hope you understand how I got to achieve this. You can see the two color is showing on the cupcake, just like this one here. They're both the same. Hope you can see it clearly. So when you follow the procedure on how I set it on my piping bag, you're going to get it right. So now, of course, my sprinkles once again. Then you put your sprinkles, or if you have anything like chips, you can spray it on the cupcakes to make it look beautiful. So I hope you understand this. So okay, so guys, so I hope you understand how I got to achieve this two-tone buttercream frosting. So you can actually give it a try. You can try it on your cupcakes or any kind of cakes you want to use to please your family and friends. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like it, if you understand from this, just click on the link click on the subscription button to subscribe to my video tutorials. Also like, share and comment, for me to hear your thoughts about this. So in the meantime, if you have questions, you can drop into the comment section and I'll definitely answer you. So guys, I think I'm done with this particular video and see you next time in my other video. Bye for now.